Here's number 13, our last review problem before the test. The frequency table shows the lengths of some books in a classroom. Use the frequency table to complete the line plot. So let's keep in mind that these are the different lengths, third graders. Let me get my tools here. So these are the different lengths. We have 5 inches, 5.5 inches, 6 inches, 6.5 inches, 7 inches, 7.5 inches, and 8 inches. So we need to use this frequency table to complete the line plot. So we're going to use the frequency table data to help us out. So it says that there's 5 inches and there's 2 books. So actually, let's fill this in too, that this is the book length. And the book length is in inches. So I'm going to put inches in parentheses here. I'm also going to make this just a little bit bigger so that we can see what we're doing. So 2 of the books are 5 inches. And you can see 3 of the books are 5.5 inches. Now here's 6 books are 6 inches. Okay, hopefully your circles are a little neater than mine. 6.5 inches. We have 5 data points, and I'm trying to line up my numbers so they kind of match. So see how these are all the same, kind of the same plane. And then here's that one. Okay, 7 inches. There's 8 books that are 7 inches in length. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm like way up there. Okay, and 7.5 inches, there's 5 books, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that are 7.5 inches, and there are 7 books that are 8 inches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there we go. So the first question asks us, most book lengths are between which 2 measurements? So when we look at our line plot and we try to figure out, I'm seeing that most of our books are between here and here. See how most of the books are right in that area? So we're going to say most of our books are 6.5 inches to 7.5 inches, okay? Our next question asks us, what if you measure 3 more book lengths at 7.5 inches and add the data to the line plot? How would your answer change? So now we have to go over here. Here's our 7.5 inches. Here's 7.5 inches, and what they're saying is that 3 more book lengths, 1, 2, 3. So they're asking us, how would your answer change for part B? So the line plot would show that most books would either be 7 inches long or 7.5 inches long, because there would be 8 books for each measure. Most book lengths would be between the measures of 6.5 and 8.5. So now most books would be between 6.5 and 8 inches. Now, 5 books are at 6.5 inches, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 books are at 7 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 books are at 7.5 inches. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 books are at 8 inches. So that changes, and it shows us that most books are between 6.5 inches and 8 inches.